What's up, everybody? Justin AZRC here. Finally get out to play for a few minutes here. I got our store finished up finally, so figured I'd break out the Typhon. It's been hot here. It's been like 106 here lately. That's why I haven't been playing. So today it's only down to like 100 supposedly. I think it's a lie because it feels like 103, but who cares? It's all good. I'm just glad to be back out here. I got, let's see, Typhon running on 6S. I have a 22 tooth pinion gear. Punch turned up to 9. I turned the brake down to 50, or turned it up to 50 last night. Oh yeah, these are GRPs, tires, S5 compound. As you can see. They don't grip that well. They do after you heat them up a little bit, but uh-oh. Where are you at? There you are. It's a great tire for drifting, but I'm not a drifter, so. And here's the owner of the Typhon. What's up, Hot Rod?
Huh?
So what's up, Hot Rod?
Hi.
Oh, one more. You literally cannot keep this thing straight. I could probably mess with the suspension. And he can't ever land it, so his wing mount is just destroyed. Of course, I'm not that great at landing either. SRPs do, or GRPs do balloon. Check that out. Coming in squirrely. Oh. Dang. Watch out for the dumpster. Whoa.
I'll get it.
Tumble wumble. It's burning up, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I probably need to let it cool off. All right, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this little video. This is the first time I've been out in a while since our shop. It's just been way too hot. So last week it literally got up to the inside of my car. When I was driving down the road, it said 114 degrees with the AC on. Obviously that was the outside temperature, but too hot, too early for me. Next week it's supposed to drop down into the mid 90s. Now that our store is all ready to go, I'm gonna get out to the park and bash. I got some buddies lined up that is gonna come out with me next week, and we'll see you then. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.